You may have been oiling your hair wrong this whole time, and that's why your hair is not growing. Today, I'm revealing how to use hair oils the right way to boost hair growth, stop hair breakage, and transform your hair. Hi my loves, welcome back. And if you're new here, welcome here. In this channel, we'll talk about relaxed hair care, hair growth tips, protective styling, and anything hair related. So if you know you're interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing to join the family. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to properly use hair oils for hair growth. And without further ado, let's just get started. So the first tip I'm sharing with you guys is to choose the right oils. So there are a lot of oils you can choose from when attempting to pick your hair oils. So there's jojoba oil, castor oil, coconut oil, olive oil, grapeseed oil, avocado oil, including essential oils like tea tree oils, peppermint oil. Like there are a ton of oils that you can pick from. So make sure that you are picking the right hair oil. Make sure that you are picking more of natural oils, more of natural products rather than synthetic oils. In fact, make sure to run away from synthetic oils as much as possible. Okay, so make sure to pick natural hair oils like the one I've mentioned in this video, and make sure that the oils are compatible with your hair. Moving on, the next thing you want to consider is scalp massages. This is one of the best ways to use hair oils for hair growth. Just applying hair oils on your scalp without doing any other thing may have little to no effect when it comes to growing your hair, retaining length, and all of that. But when you combine it with scalp massages, this is where the magic is. So scalp massages work by stimulating blood flow to your scalp and promoting healthy hair growth. So if you want to get the best results from using your hair oils, especially for hair growth, you need to combine them with scalp massages rather than just applying them like that on your scalp. You can even take it a step further by using the inversion method. So this basically means that after you apply the oil on your scalp, and while doing scalp massages, you kind of tilt your head downwards while attempting to do this. This will also stimulate more blood flow to your scalp, which is going to promote healthy hair growth. So these are one of the best ways you can use hair oils for hair growth. Moving on, the next way you can use hair oils for hair growth is to seal in moisture. Now this will basically result in length retention rather than promoting hair growth from your scalp. Now I did not say use hair oils to moisturize your hair, okay? I said use it to seal in moisture, meaning that you are still going to be using a moisturizer even if you are using a hair oil. What hair oils will do is to seal in the moisture, not moisturize your hair. So don't think that you can just apply a hair oil on your hair and call that moisturizing. You are still going to be needing a moisturizer, some form of leave-in conditioner that you are going to be using to moisturize your hair before you seal with an oil. In fact, there are two recommended methods of moisturizing your hair. There is the LCO method and the LOC method. L stands for liquid or a leave-in, O stands for oil, and C stands for cream or something like a heavy butter. So you guys can see that the O, which is the oil, is not the first in both moisturizing techniques. So you can either use it as a second step while moisturizing your hair or as the third step while moisturizing your hair. So using it solely to moisturize your hair is not recommended. When you use hair oils to seal in moisture, your hair tends to stay moisturized for longer periods compared to when you just apply a moisturizer like that without sealing it in. And the more moisturized your hair is, the less risk of breakage, because dry hair is a recipe for breakage, and you're going to get more breakage when your hair is dry and you're manipulating it compared to when it's moisturized. So this is where moisturizing your hair and sealing in your moisture with hair oils come in. When you do this, you'll be keeping your hair moisturized, reducing the risk of breakage, leading to a length retention and longer hair. Moving on, the next way you can use hair oils effectively is to pre-poo. So shampoos have the tendency of stripping off natural oils from our hair strands, from our scalp, especially when it comes to surface containing shampoos. Okay, so in as much as shampoos are going to be stripping off dirt, build-up, gunk, and all of that, they are also going to be stripping off oils. So this is where pre-poo comes in. So pre-poo kinds of give your hair an extra edge, an extra form of protection in order to negate the stripping effects of the shampoos. So pre-poo basically means a pre-shampoo treatment, and this is done by using hair oils. So all you have to do is heat up the hair oil, apply it on your hair strands, leave it on for some minutes. You can put up a plastic cap to facilitate the process, and after some minutes you then go into shampooing your hair. And while doing this, you can be generous while applying the oils on your hair strands, because you know that you are going to be washing them off. So doing this is going to save your hair from becoming dry while shampooing. Moving on, the next way you can use hair oils effectively is as hot oil treatment. This is similar to how you use them as pre-poo. You're going to be using the same method as in pre-poo. So you're going to be heating up the oil, applying it on your hair strands, and yeah, that's basically it. Another thing you want to consider while attempting to use hair oils for hair growth is to be consistent but not overload your hair. So whatever your routine is with your hair oils, whether in scalp massages, in pre-poo, hot oil treatment, moisturizing your hair and all of that, you want to make sure that you are consistent. The more consistent you are, the more results you are going to get. You can't carry out any of these routines just once and expect your hair to magically transform from that. So you have to make sure that you are consistent with your pre-poos, with your scalp massages, with your moisturizing, but at the same time you want to make sure that you are not overloading your hair. Space out your routines, but make sure that you are regular and consistent. You don't have to use a hair oil on your scalp every single day. In fact, if you do this, especially if you are using a heavy oil, this can clog your hair pores, your hair follicles, and instead of promoting hair growth and leading to longer hair, it's going to slow down your hair growth and lead to unhealthy hair strands. So in as much as you are trying to be consistent with your regimen, make sure that you are not overloading your hair strands on your scalp with hair oils. Moving on, the next thing you want to do is to make sure that you are using your hair oils paired with a good routine. Hair oils are not magic fixes. They are not going to magically transform your hair if you use them solely. You have to make sure that you are pairing this with a good routine as well. If you don't have a healthy hair care routine, or if you don't have a hair routine at all, but you are using the most potent hair oil in the world, you are still not going to get results. So you want to make sure that you have a healthy hair care routine and you are regular with it. So you want to build a routine to include things like shampooing your hair, deep conditioning, moisturizing and sealing, protective styling, how you detangle, how you care for your scalp, trimming your hair, and all of that. So you want to make sure that you have a good solid routine. Pairing a good routine with a potent hair oil is going to give you amazing and shocking results. So if you want to get the best results from your hair oils, make sure that your routine is also on point. And by the way guys, if you're confused about building a hair care routine, or you don't even know where to start from, my hair growth ebook has a section on this. So it contains a 30 days daily hair growth routine. So I give you guys what to do on each and every day, starting from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, like what to do specifically step by step on each and every day right to the 30th day. And you know the best part of this routine, you can recycle it, so you can do it over and over and over and over. So once you have this, you are basically set, and the routine is so simple. Like, you guys know that I am not a fan of complicated routines, so the routine in my hair growth ebook is so simple, so stress-free. Like, even though you are so busy, even though you are a beginner, even though you don't know where to start from, even though you don't have time, like, this routine is so simple to follow. And remember, I told you guys that you don't want to overload your hair when it comes to products like with hair oils and all of that, and you need to space them out. In the ebook, I gave you guys exactly how to space them out, like when exactly to use your hair oils, on which specific days out of the 30 days you are going to use your hair oils. So it basically covers what you need. Outside that, I also included product recommendations for you guys, hair growth staples, hair growth tools, hair growth secrets, solutions to specific hair problems you may have, like hair breakage, split ends, heat damage, and all of that. So yes, in case you haven't gotten yours, make sure to get yours now, and make sure to link it down in the description box below. So yeah guys, those are the tips I have for you on how to properly and effectively use hair oils for hair growth. And if you can follow the tips I mentioned in this video, you'll be amazed at how something as simple as a hair oil can transform your hair if you use it right. And guys, please share with me your favorite hair oils down in the comment section down below. My favorite is olive oil. If you're an OG and you've been following me for years, you already know that. So yeah, olive oil is my favorite. I would like to know your favorite hair oil as well. Let me know in the comment section down below. If it's also a combination of oils, or if you have more than one favorite, make sure to let me know in the comment section down below as well. Okay, so yeah guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here and you aren't subscribed, please consider subscribing to join the family, and don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So yeah guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.